30 years since we won it in 1996. That was like an unbelievable day for Òbain as well, not just Òbain Camanachd. Plenty of finals, plenty of defeats, so a lot of sadness, I would say, mixed in with that nostalgia, but that was an unbelievable day, unbelievable scenes in the town that night, so that's a big carrot for us to try and do it again this year. I think we took a wee knock last month, just to start of last month, for a heavy defeat from Camanachd, but we had a bit of a get-together after that. We had a few home truths in the changing rooms, a few meetings out here at training, just to really kind of get back to basics, worked on the fitness, and that's shown the results. We scored 30 goals in the last 5 games, so yeah, boys are upbeat and looking forward to these big games coming up.
The atmosphere's been good. It's been good since day one, since we took over. A good group of boys. We brought a few old boys back that were retired as well to lift the spirits in the camp, along with some younger ones progressing as well, so it's a decent mix. No matter what competition, Newtonmore and Camanachd, they're the big two in Shinty. You've got to give them respect, and they just breed Shinty players up there, so you've got to be ready for the challenge no matter which one you're facing in these big games.
We will look into their strengths and possible weaknesses and try and kind of negate that, but really in a semi-final we don't want any regrets. We had some regrets last year. When we're in full flow, it's just getting out in front, winning the ball, getting the balls up to the fast guys up front, and then just try to run teams ragged if we can.
This season we've had a pretty flawless start to the season. Boys are training hard, there's a lot of positions up for grab, we've got a really strong bench, so each training session you're having to give 100% just to get into the starting 12. A lot of it after games and that, all the boys hang out together, we're always in the pub together, which is a good sign. A team that can drink together normally win together, so yeah, we're just a big togetherness. We've got a good mix now of senior players and younger players. The younger players are coming on, and as senior ones don't have to do as much running because they're all fit and hungry, ready to go.
Ús a ghlaitse Harris a fáte skip a Baile Ùr a húnta a tartulans a skip ach kutjach so I feel met the balchach in vi Sùil on the game or son in Glac.
We know they can play. We know they're a very good side. They're, I would say, definitely the best South team by quite a distance. So there's quite a lot of things actually that we need to, try and control.
We'll set up similar to how we always do. We always try to be aggressive, be on the front foot and attack. We kind of need to against them. They are quite strong in defence, so there's no point in us trying to defend as well. Otherwise it's not going to come to much.
We are playing well, scoring goals. The forward guys especially are starting to click. But as I say, we were pretty in good form this time last year when we came up against Newtonmore as well, so we'll have to take the game on the day as it comes.
I think we felt like we were caught cold a wee bit by them. We hadn't played them in the league, so we didn't really know what to expect, and we'd been playing well up until then. We'd been in really good form, so I don't know if we maybe peaked too early then, and this season we've been a wee bit more indifferent, so I don't know. Depends how you read into it.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner 2025 Champions Camanachd Cup Final are Newtonmore.
Sinna ruta hula dunne géirí vi Janov mar gluchtar an hasise vi géirí vi bunach cúpan na Camanachd in Chupa sa Baile se cúpan na Camanachd anún fer ha hula dunne géirí so vi ddíreach mirvalach an kippa cúpa bunach garíist.
It's absolutely massive, just means so much to the entire village, supporters, players, everything. And yeah, hopefully we can do that and we can replicate what happened last year.
My dad won it in '96, so that was the year my sister was born. So really just that it's been 30 years since then. But then when they won it, it'd been 60 years since they won it, so it was even longer for them. So we need to overcome that at some point.
30 years is a long, long time. We're trying not to put too much pressure on ourselves. It's not these guys' fault that they haven't. I mean, most of them weren't born in 1996 when we won it, so it's not fair on them to burden them with that kind of pressure of trying to win it. But we just have to kind of hope it does happen, and when it does happen, they'll see what it means. It's the biggest thing in Shinty, and the final is on our home pitch. So yeah, it'll be a fantastic achievement to not just to play in a final on your own pitch, but to win it would be unbelievable.